Hi, this is Amos from GIS by Example. Now I'm going to show you how to build a chloropleth map based on data that you have. If we open up the attribute table of our layer of US states, you can see that there's a good amount of data for each state that we have. But what we care about here are these columns about the state election results. There's Obama number of votes, Romney number of votes, and here we have the number of electors. So what we're going to do, actually, is take a look at this final, one of these final columns, and this is margin. Margin P and margin. Margin happens to be the number of votes that Obama got that was greater than Romney. So if it's negative, that means that in that state, Mitt Romney received more votes than Barack Obama. And we're going to use that to build a chloropleth map, which looks just like the standard red-blue political maps that we see every election night. So I'll close out, right-click on US State 2010, and go to Properties. So now we go to Style, and we're going to build a graduated map. And the column is going to be based on, as we said before, it's going to be based on the margin. So what QGIS is doing is trying to calculate, so what QGIS does then is gives you a lot of options on how to display. So QGIS gives you many options on how to display data in different ways. You can use different color ramps, you can change the number of different colors that make it into your map, and then it will automatically calculate where the different breakpoints are for those colors. So just for example, if we didn't want to do anything very smart about it, and we just clicked OK and render, and we click render, you can see that QGIS now colors based on the margin. You can see that QGIS has changed the colors for each state based on the margins. Now this isn't the map that we want it to make. We want to make that red-blue map that we see every election night. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Essentially, it's fairly simple. We want to find a ramp that goes from red to blue. And since we only care who won the state, there are only two different colors that we care about. So we set it to two classes. Now we have one red color and one blue color. And what we're going to do, so now we have one red color and one blue color. Now we need to define the values that would make a state go red or go blue. And it's fairly simple. We know that if the margin is negative, that Romney won the state, and if the margin is positive, Obama won the state. So I'm going to double click and just change the value range for each of these variables. So this is going to go from negative 10 million or so to 0. It will be red. And we'll go from 0 to positive 10 million or so if positive 10 million or so if Obama won. And we'll just change these labels. They're not really important right now, but we'll change them to say Romney and Obama. Click OK and click render. And boom! Now you've made a political red-blue map, and CNN and Fox News and MSNBC will all want to hire you for the 2016 election. Congratulations. Thanks for watching.